When is the last time you've gotten in trouble? If so, we'll go into that now and determine all these questions.
At this time, the state's asking for no bond. He doesn't have any criminal history, but we are concerned about the facts surrounding this charge. He wanted out of Polk County, Florida, and I do have the probable cause on this one. On or about October 7th, 2024, the defendant made 2 separate calls to the Polk County Sheriff's Office. In their first call, the defendant alleged that he had dispatched or killed a police officer, and he asked to take the officer's vehicle to return it to the sheriff's office, and how long it would take for them to know that one guy had not called in and was in a problem. The defendant stated that his line of questions was for him. Sheriff's office conducted a countrywide well-being check on deputies and officers and found none to be harmed. Under these exigent circumstances, the defendant was then traced back by ID and phone carrier as well as caller ID. The FBI had previously ID'd the defendant in January of 2024 as having made several threats about killing law enforcement officers on YouTube video, which I have those statements if you want to hear them. But
I mean, was he living in those states? Just calls from Florida?
So he called Kentucky. He also called Tampa. The YouTube comments he left in January 2024 did ask suggestions of what state to shoot a cop at. I'm concerned about the facts around it.
When did this happen? So is it a 2B? Was he charged and then fled?
So the offense happened earlier this month on October 7th. It was issued...
It just randomly called a different county in Florida? Just...
The address they have for him is in Florida.
Say it again?
The address that they have for him is in Delray Beach, Florida. I can also call you if you need him, but...
Being what's going on in Florida now, how long is it going to even take to get them over here together?
I mean, you'd be setting him out for 14 days, so it'd be 2 weeks.
I know that you're setting him out for 2 weeks, but are they going to have the manpower to even come get him at that time? You know, I think that there's a lot of other priorities. I mean, there's still millions of people without power. Right. And that adds it. So I'm going to presume that they're not going to get him in 14 days. They're going to want an extension at their minimum. So I don't know, Sonia. It's just...
The charge are not going to set a bond until he actually makes the first appearance.
What was the bond set at, do you know?
$5,000 on one case, and the other case is 0 bond.
Yeah, no bond until he has his first appearance on the...
They're both felonies, I would presume.
Yes, a felony 2 and a felony 3.